Wow, guys, look at all our dinosaurs. Look at all their feet. Some have really big feet. Some have smaller feet. Some have big round toes. And some have sharp claws. And they all make different footprints. So let's take a look at them by using Play-Doh. Who will we make footprints of? Arlo! Arlo has big round feet with wrinkles on the bottom. Let's see his footprints. Press in and lift off. Oh, he's really stuck. There we go. Whoa, look. There are his 4 toes and the wrinkles. 4 big round footprints. Let's do our Dino Valley feathered friend next. Excuse me, Dino, I need that Play-Doh. He has sharp claws and long toes. Press down hard. Wow, look, you can see all the claws. Now let's do our big T-Rex footprints. Come on, Butch. He has really big feet. Push hard and lift off.
Yep, these are mine.
And look, they're massive. Let's see this guy's next. Whoa, look at the detail on these. 3 sharp claws. Please don't eat the Play-Doh.
What?
Ooh, here's Booba from the Good Dinosaur. Let's look at his feet. Look at his claws sticking up and his footprints. Well, that's the best footprint I've ever seen. Look, that's where his claws stick up. There are his 2 sharp ones. Look at all the different footprints from all the different dinosaurs. Say cheesy feet, guys! Thanks for watching, Little Wonders. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye!
Hey Little Wonders, it's Rachel Rage, and check that out! Today we're gonna be opening The Good Dinosaur from Disney Pixar. So when you put the mask, it's a little bit loose, and that's because you want to press it down and listen to the sounds. So let's try the blackboard.